How to fix HVCI enabled Valorant on Windows 11. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you method for you to fix HVCI enabled Valorant in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is an easy fix. So all I have to do is just simply enable your core isolation by going into your Windows icon right here. Type in core isolation, right click on the core isolation and choose on open file location. Then here, you just need to open this option here that says core file location for the main folder. And then what you want to have to do from there is just to enable it. Now you might be seeing a different option such as core isolation details. You just need to simply open it up for you to enable it. And then for some, you will only be seeing memory integrity and have it on. And that's it. That's how you fix HVCI enabled Valorant Windows 11.